Kelly, how's the tour going?
Tour's going awesome. Tour's going really, really awesome.
So are you famous?
No.
But it's like everywhere you go you get free tacos.
Free tacos? Where?
Kelly, what's it like to live through a monsoon and just eat a taco the whole time?
Yes.
I don't know, but
Fantastic. Go team. Yeah, we just rescued our second tacos.
Nice.
oh my god.
Nice
We
second
only
taco
were
work.
given one
That's the
taco
A-team.
and we ordered two and we got them back.
You got
Yeah.
them.
Way to like
We conquered.
Way to like, you know, stand up for yourselves.
You know,
Yeah. You know
just
what?
have to be nice.
And sometimes you just like,
You just say, you know,
It's okay.
you got it wrong, but I love you and I feel your plight.
And I
Taco
want to
lady.
eat your
That's what I
taco.
said, and I want nothing more than to eat your taco. That's all I want.
yeah.